How to make slime at home with 5 simple things. Let's start. What you need to make simple, easy slime recipe 1. White glue 2. Borax sodium tetraborate. 3. Food coloring optional 4. Water and 5. 2 bowl steps to make simple slime. Step number 1. In 1 bowl mix 1 ounce. Glue about 1/4 of the glue bottle and 1/4 cup water. If you want colored slime, add food coloring to the glue and water mixture. Lift some of the solution out of the container with the stir stick and note what happens. Step number 2. Add 1/4 cup of liquid sodium tetraborate solution to the glue and water mixture and stir slowly. Step number 3. The slime will begin to form immediately. Lift some of the solution with the stir stick and observe how the consistency has changed from Step 1. Step number 4. Stir as much as you can, then dig in and knead it with your hands until it gets less sticky. This is a messy experience, but is necessary because it allows the 2 compounds to bond completely. Don't worry about any leftover water in the bowl, just pour it out. Step number 5. When not in use, store the slime in a plastic bag in the fridge to keep it from growing mold.